Hey guys, Domocorn here. So today we are going to be doing a speed tutorial on how to install OptiFine for the MultiMC Launcher. Now there are videos around for installing it for older versions. However, I found for some reason that Minecraft 1.18.2 and possibly 1.18 and .1 as well have some weird issues with installing. You can't do it the normal way anymore. There's some weird bugs, so I'm going to make this quick video for everyone so you're not pulling your hair out trying to figure out why nothing is working. So of course, first things first is you're going to want MultiMC. Beautiful. Go onto the website. I'm going to be going really fast here, so keep on up. So have your MultiMC and everything set up. Of course, you're going to want to download your version of OptiFine. I already have the file here. And then my choice is going to be WinRAR for a file manager, although you can probably just use the built-in one, or 7-zip will also work. So once you've downloaded the OptiFine jar, you're going to have that guy right here. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just give it a double click, and you're going to want to click extract. Now, you may get the message saying that it cannot extract because Minecraft hasn't run once, so you may have to run your regular launcher and run Minecraft 1.18.2 or whichever version at least once before it's going to let you extract this OptiFine file. It's just some check that OptiFine does. So once your extract window opens, you can extract it into whichever folder you need. I'm going to put it right into this folder here, and you can see now you have the same thing but has mod at the end. Now what I've found, the best way to do this is you're going to right click on the mod file and you're going to extract the files into a folder. However you do this works as long as you get them open into a folder here. And then you're going to take the contents of this folder here called Notch and take everything in here using Control A or selecting everything, and then cut them out using Control X or right click and cut. And then you're going to paste them into the main directory. So Control V or right click and paste. Then you can go ahead and delete that Notch folder, select everything yet again, and then we are going to right click, and you can just use the built-in windows and send this file into a zipped folder. Now this is going to take a second, so we're just going to pause for it to zip into a zip file. Alright, you can see the zip file here has now been created. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it OptiFine 1.18.2 so I don't forget. And then before you exit this naming, although if you misclick you can just rename it again, change the .zip to .jar. It's going to ask you if that's okay. You're going to say yes. Now I'm going to take it out of this folder and just put it into here so that we have this. So now this jar is what you're going to do the normal steps of installing OptiFine and MultiMC. So you can make yourself a new instance, go ahead and into edit instance, go into the version section here, and you're going to go add to minecraft.jar. And then that add to minecraft.jar, you're going to go to the directory you have that file and select that new jar file that you've just created. Click on open, give that a launch. And I'm just going to pause here for a second while it loads up. Actually, you know what? It's going to be fast enough. Pop open Minecraft here. And you can see, woo! With our options, you can go into video settings. And all of these settings here for OptiFine are all here. All your performance shaders and everything. And if you do it the normal way where you just add the jar file in, it's unfortunately not going to work for whatever reason. There's some weird bug. But that was a quick speed tutorial on how to install the 1.18.2 OptiFine into MultiMC. Thanks and have a good day, guys.